let's do alternating isometric. So back up. So I'm going to say hold, hold, hold,
That's odd.
hold, hold,
Yeah.
okay, and back down. Now, would that build stability?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's making
Right.
it better.
And how many times do you do this? Well, that's
100.
the thing. What if you realize, like, oh, I'm getting tired?
He's starting to
Stop.
float down,
Yeah,
right?
you'll
Yeah.
feel
You might go
You're
back
done.
to just having him do some lifts and maybe just, so you can slide it back a little bit in the scale. And maybe just have him come up and just try to get the isometric. And he may only, as Margaret mentioned, only be able to come up against gravity as being the 40% area.
Is there a time frame that if he was able to hold the bridge for 30 seconds or something, is that say, okay, well, if he can do that by himself, then I can progress to this?
That's more
or is it
recipe-like.
There isn't any,
Good.
yeah, there isn't any recipe actually. There isn't any. You're going to look at function, and certainly if he, if he is able to do X amount of mobility, but he fatigues after maybe doing a couple of stands or a couple of just perturbations in the standing position, and we get him down and we do this, and he peters out really, really fast. We may just have him do a bunch of repetitions of just the bridge and the hold. And then maybe not going forward, but then you would re-look at it every time you see him. So there isn't any
So you
quick.
drop it down, the intensity to get the endurance.
Yeah, it depends on what you're looking for. Yeah, but in order for, stability is a lot of endurance that occurs in the stability position.
So you're getting endurance and you're getting re-education.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah, by using the neuro techniques, you're getting re-education of the muscle. Absolutely.
Right.
Yep. And you're hoping that this is going to play into the function. Carry over to the function, correct. Yep. Okay. So we're going to try some rhythmic stabilization. So let's go ahead, have you come back up, and I'm going to have you hold that position, and hold, and hold, and hold, and hold. You see how it's a little bit more difficult,
Yeah.
relax down, than alternating isometric. So really it's just a tiered system. You could not do alternating isometrics. I'm probably not going to go here, because I will probably lose you. The muscles, you're just going to peter right out.
Right.
So, you might just go back with just some bridging, and then I will explore this, the alternating isometrics. And if you're doing okay, then we'll go to that rhythmic stabilization. But if I may have to go back and forth a little bit in there. There isn't any rule of thumb. Once you're here, you can't go back. You can certainly go back and forth.